Python list comprehensions. Set all elements in an array to 0 or 1. I've been trying to come up with a one-line list comprehension to do the following. Given an array of integers and a single integer, call it int1. I want to create a new array of only zeros and ones such that the new array has a 1 if there was an int1 at that position in the original array, else 0. Is there a way to have true/false be 1 0 as in C?
Simply convert the boolean to int, with int function, like this. Output. This works because, in Python, boolean is a subclass of int.
True and false already cast to int the way you want them to. Just convert them to int directly.
Use a conditional expression. 1 if x equals 4 else 0 or what have you.
If you want to see more, please subscribe.